If you're a woman buying a home after divorce here in Omaha, one of the most important questions to answer is this: how much money should I have actually saved before I buy? Because knowing your price is one thing, being financially prepared is another. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key areas you need to financially be prepared for so you can move forward with clarity and avoid unnecessary stress. First, let's discuss your down payment. Depending on your loan, this may be as low as a few percent or higher depending on your situation. This is something your lender will walk you through, will guide you through, but what matters to you is knowing in advance what will be expected. The good question to ask: do I have enough set aside to move forward? Let's also consider closing costs. This often includes lender fees, title cost, also insurance, and other transaction-related expenses. Many buyers are highly surprised by this part, often disappointed. So let's get you prepared so you can go down this road smoothly. Yes, it is important to plan ahead instead of being caught off guard. Let's also consider moving and setup cost. After divorce, this becomes especially important. Moving expenses, furniture, basic household needs, and small repairs and updates must be considered. Yes, these are real costs that affect your first few months in your home. Number 4, if we're counting, emergency cushion. Yes, this is one of the most important areas. Yes, ladies, after you purchase anything, but particularly because we're talking about homes, after you purchase a home, you want to have breathing room to be able to do other things. That may include emergency savings and funds for unexpected repairs, or simply margin for peace of mind. Please remember, keep it in your heart, in your mind, that buying a home should never leave you financially tight. Number 5, monthly payment readiness. Even if you can technically afford a home, the real question is this: does the monthly payment feel stable for your life right now? Yes, indeed. This connects back to what we talked about in the previous video. Your safe price is not just about qualification, it's about sustainability. If you're a woman rebuilding life after divorce here in Omaha, this channel exists to help you make wise housing decisions step by step. If we have not met yet, my name is Lynetta Anderson. I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate here in the Omaha area. I serve women navigating the home buying process after divorce, step by step. Ooh, yes, preparation brings peace. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Beautiful blessing, when you understand what you need financially before you begin, you move forward with more clarity and far less pressure. If this helped you, be sure you watch the next video in this series. I'm going to walk you through what monthly payment actually feels safe after divorce, so you can make decisions that support your life, not just your loan approval. Now that you understand how much money you should have saved, the next step is seeing how this step fits in with your full buying process. Watch the next video where I walk you through buying a home after divorce here in Omaha, step by step, so you can move forward with clarity and confidence, and continue in this series as I guide you along the way. Watch next Start Here video.